There's some handyman companies and other companies out there that offer light bulb changing as an additional service. But if you just focused on changing light bulbs, changing smoke detectors, this is a very needed service for commercial properties, for Airbnbs, and maybe people who are just renting out their houses that they would definitely pay for and that isn't really being targeted. And whenever there's a business that you can go after commercial customers, I think it's a lot easier to get commercial customers than it is to get residential customers. You can just call on these property management companies and sell them this service instead of having to call on every single residential customer. And a lot of these property owners own multiple different locations. So if you secure a single customer, you might have a lot of different locations that you could be doing this work. Looked up some pricing for changing light bulbs. Seemed like it's a $75 minimum service fee to come out, $7 for every standard light bulb, $20 for any specialty light bulb replacements. For commercial jobs, a $100 minimum fee to come out, and a $15 replacement fee for standard light bulbs, and then $35 replacement fee for any specialty light bulbs. And they may have a lot of light bulbs that need to be changed.